the easiest pizza in the world. It's ready in just 6 minutes. In a container, add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, and we are going to beat all this up really well. Now, add half cup of milk, remembering that my cup has 240 ml. And now sift 1 cup of wet flour. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast and stir again. Once that's done, just pick it up and put all this stuff in the microwave dish. Just spread all this pasta all over the plate. Now, just take it to the microwave for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we will add to the dough 5 teaspoons of tomato sauce and spread all this sauce over the dough. The filling of the pizza is to your liking, but here I'm using 4 slices of ham, 5 slices of mozzarella, 5 slices of tomato, Calabrian to taste, bacon to taste, and finally onion. Now just take it to the microwave until the cheese melts, but if you prefer, you can leave it any longer. Guys, look at this pizza, the easiest and most delicious you will make in your home. I hope you enjoyed. Do it at your home. I'm sure that all of you love. Make these pizzas is so easy. It's faster than order some at iFood. That was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.